Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine. That's good. I welcome you in my class that is English for Grade 1. And we are learning Unit 9. Its title is My Friend. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we'll complete reading and comprehension of this unit and we'll cover the SLO, which we have already done in Unit 4. Fill in the missing information to complete simple sentences. Remember? I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again and we will revise this practice. Fill in the missing information to complete simple sentences. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al Imran, verse 37. So her Lord accepted her, Maryam alayhi salam, with good acceptance and caused her to grow in good manner and put her in the care of Zakaria alayhi salam. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse tells us that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make Prophet Zakaria alayhi salam responsible for the upbringing of Maryam alayhi salam. So beta, when we try, we struggle for good things because Hazrat Maryam's mother was very much concerned about it. So Allah makes the arrangement. So Alhamdulillah, Allah has given us parents, teachers to guide us for good things, right? So we were reading about qualities of a boy yesterday, remember? Okay, so tell me, what are the qualities of your best friend? What do you think? What are the qualities of your best friend? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have mentioned you have found many qualities in your best friend. Wonderful. So let's start reading. Yesterday we stopped reading here. So from this sentence, the very last sentence I'm going to start reading. You have to listen carefully because after me you will read it. He. Now, who is this he? Farhan, right? We were talking about Farhan. Farhan means he gets up early in the morning. Now, on the next page, he wears simple clothes. He goes to school on time. So tell me, what is the meaning of intelligent? I have discussed about this point in introduction lesson. I hope you remember. So tell me, what does intelligent mean? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope all of you remember that intelligent, we all are intelligent somehow or the other because Allah has blessed us with beautiful brain. So we should struggle hard. We should try to use this brain in a positive way. All right. Okay. So he, once again, we are talking about Farhan. He always speaks the truth. He is always cheerful and polite. Cheerful, what does it mean? Pleasant, a happy person, cheerful. Okay. And polite, who talks very softly. I am proud of my friend. I like him very much, right? So that's it about this unit. Now it's your turn. First you answer this question. Which quality do you like the most in your best friend? After answering this question, you will pause the video, read the text again. Be careful because after this reading, I'm going to ask you a few questions. So pause the video, complete this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with reading? Good job. So first you will complete this comprehension in your book. Teachers kindly make the students to read the sentence and find out whether it's true or false. You can explain this concept and then when they are done with it, then come back. So pause the video, complete this exercise in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I know it was easy for you. Now we are going to learn the concept, another concept. You know what is a sentence? I told you a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay. So when we arrange words and that the group of words make a sense, that is called sentence. It means if any of the chunk or word of a sentence is missing, maybe that is not complete. So because it is not complete, it is not giving sense. So what do? Then we provide the missing words. We can choose words from word bank to complete the sense of a sentence, because one word, if it's missing, the sense is not complete. So we choose a word, we write it there, put it there to make it a complete sentence. This is how we complete sentences, by using words from word bank. Do you understand? Okay. So let's practice it from your book. What we are going to do, read the following sentences and fill in the missing words with the help of word bank. So here word bank is given to you and you have to complete the sentence. And my dear children, how do we do it? You will read this sentence. He is my classmate and. Now you see, we cannot stop a sentence on and. It means it's incomplete. We need to put another word to complete it. And what that word can be, we have to select it from here. The first word is truth. Can we write it? He is my classmate and truth. Oh no, it's not making sense. So what the other word can be? He is my classmate and neighbor. Yes, now this sense is come. Because this is how, it is not necessary that these sentences are from the text you read. If they are from somewhere else, how do? You take a word and write it there. Before writing, you just make, does it make a sense? Is it complete? If yes, then you may write that word. And if not, you will not write that word. This is how we complete sentences. Do you understand? Okay, so pause the video, complete this exercise in your book. If you need any assistance, raise your hand. Teachers kindly guide the students to reach to the answer. Don't tell them the answer. Make them to reach to the answer by themselves. Okay, so complete this exercise and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Can you complete sentences now on your own? Good job. This is what we wanted to do. So now it's time for your homework. You will write 5 new words you learned from this lesson. Okay, and here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do, once again, word bank is here and you are going to complete these sentences by choosing correct word for each sentence. Okay, so what we have learned today, we learned to fill in the missing information to complete simple sentences, and we achieved our SLO to fill in the missing information to complete simple sentences. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.